2015 BMW X5 F15, and this is how you replace the wiper blades. Very, very easy. Get yourself a flat screwdriver underneath here, pry this up right there. Once it's pried up, that's all you need to do. Pull the wiper up. And you're going to just make sure this is all the way up. Pull them down. See this? All you're going to do is just go down, right? And then pull the clip out. And that's it. There you go. There's your hook. There's your hook. And then you get the new wiper right here. Okay, basically the same thing. New ones I got. Just pop this up. Okay. And then, sorry about the glare. Bring this up, and then one side, clip down, and just slide these in. And they just slide in. And then just slide in, and then this goes down, locks in place. That's it. Those are, here we go again. Other side. Put the screwdriver underneath. Pry up. Oh yeah, pry up. Once they're pried up, just pull back and pull them out. That's it. There's your J hook. Little places we push. This pops up. Watch. Okay, so we go through here. Just slide that up. There you go. Back down. Pull off the protective edge on it. Put it back down. That's it. Wiper. Fairly easy. Just take it and pull it out. There we go. Okay. Put it out. Pull it out and put in the new one, same as the old one. You got that little notch right there. And it's gonna go right there. Put it over the top like that. And bend it back in.